We're back. Run deals. Check out the deals for today. Check out these LED outdoor string lights. As you see, these will be great for the summertime. We're going to hang them up and we'll be able to have it bright out there while we're chilling and relaxing and listening to some music this summer. All right, you all, here's another cool feature of the lights. They have a little back that goes with it, and all you have to do is unscrew, put it on, put it off, screw it back. Simple as that. You all, just wanted to give you this view right here. We are not going to put them outside until it's actually the weekend of the occasion that we're going to have. But this is just a view on my mantle of how they would look. They're very bright and they're ready for the night. I love that it has this extra cord with it right here so I can join others just in case I buy more than one light. We can join them together and then we'll have our whole roof lit up, which is cool. You can also use these inside. I was thinking after we use them for our occasion, I was going to put them in my fiance's man cave. He doesn't like a lot of light in there and it's really dark. So putting this around his wall would be awesome. I'm going to find a couple of pictures to match as well. But I'm just putting those creations and thoughts in my head for a later date. All right, you all, this is so awesome. This is an awesome buy for me. I'm very excited about this for our party. So we will see it on a later date. And once I get pictures of that, I will send them out so you all can see them as well.